Booster glaive handle. Let's try it out. I didn't equip it. How do I equip it? The equip button seems to make sense. So I have a weapon 2. How do I even equip it as weapon 1? How do I switch to weapon 2? Oh. Oh, people are gonna die. What do you do? Oh my. It uses a lot of stamina, but it's so cool. Oh. Oh. Okay. We're learning. We're learning. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Okay. We did better with the other weapon. Let's try this one for a sec. Wait, I think there was more area to go over here.
Gives me the creeps.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's like something's gonna jump out any second.
Yeah.
It's okay, pal. Gemini's looking out for you.
Nice. Nice. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. What do you do? Oh, jeez. So we use a lot more stamina. Okay. That was unfortunate. That was unfortunate. Alright. No more games this time. That was so uncool. come after me. It does so much damage, but uses so much stamina. Can I walk around this? Hey. Oh my god, he just eats my attacks. Just eats it. Like, stutter a little bit. Oh, look at your head. Look at your head, dude. Hidden Moonstone. This place freaks me out. God, all the noises are freaking me out, man. Great. Great. And it quick saved. That's amazing. Okay. Alright. Oh, good. Oh. Vote. Yep. Well, I want to avoid that. Haha, you stupid. Okay, he runs right at me. That seems not great. Come on. What the hell, dude? Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. Uh. There's a second one. There's a second one. I knew that there was a second one, and I tried to do it. How do I do that? How do I do that? Oh, is it my upper belt? This one? Just kick. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Please. Okay. Just one hit. Hey. Hey. Got nothing on me. Oh. Come here, little butterfly. Motivity crank. A crank invented in the workshop to allow fine adjustments to weapon handles. Okay. I read all I needed to know. Is that a stargazer? Please be a stargazer. I am so desperate. Oh, I kind of like this weapon. I want to get a hang of this one. It looks sick. Was there another way? Of course. Oh, hey. Look at that. So now I can get up from down there. I don't want to go down. Something's telling me not to go down. Get. There's puppets everywhere. I knew it. Oh! Oh, well. That happened. Kind of sick game. Sick game. Do you get hit by the ball? That's stupid. Oh. Ugh. The balls just stop? Nope. Where is this leading? Oh, was this the gate? Okay. Got it. Got it. Whoa! Oh. Oh my gosh. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. A super shortcut. There we go. There we go. Yes.
Oh, fantastic. The pipe fit like a glove. Well, like a pipe that fit. Idioms, you know?
Those stalkers just left me. That's rather disloyal. Quite insulting.
Oh my gosh. Warning, beware when handling corrosive chemicals. Be careful not to melt your fingers. I wish I would have known sooner, you know? Like, they couldn't have told me just a tiny bit sooner before I just jumped in a vat of chemicals.
A little help? Anyone? Wealthy and dashing philanthropist in need of assistance? Oh, easy now. No need to kill me. Surely we can discuss
How
this
did he
like
survive?
reasonable people? Hold on. Geppetto's a friend of yours. Did he send you? I'm fine. Please, help me find my butler Pulcinella. He's a puppet and a friend. Those stalkers were supposed to be working for me, but... well, they bolted and left me to my fate. That was not helpful. My butler went to barricade the back door, and I haven't seen him since. Pulcinella has been a loyal companion. I'd hate to lose him. The factory is, of course, my priority. We must take it back. But please, keep an eye out for my butler. I'd consider it a personal favor and owe you in kind.
Well, that's a turn. Wasn't expecting to find you alive. I wonder... Let me try this one. Okay. I didn't do it. What? What a weird thing. That seems dangerous, dude. I don't know. If it doesn't do a lot of damage, I'm just switching back. It does like stacking fire damage. Oh, you. It does no damage. Oh my gosh. Okay. Jeez. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It just, I don't know, that's tough. Coco. come on. Oh, okay. Whew. Okay, can't do full combos. Can't do full combos. Come on, stand. There we go. This weapon's so much better than that fucking dagger. But maybe not. I don't know. I just want to see what this does. What? I give it more fire damage, maybe? I got no flasks. I got no nothing. Oh, and we're at the boss. Yeah. He's got a hot pelvis. Okay. Oh. Should have saw that coming, I guess. Oh, okay. I think I'm about to die. Yo. I wonder if the other dude stays dead. The big fiery guy. So I definitely don't want the flaming dagger against the flaming guy. So we'll equip this in this place. See, I don't know if anything changed. Yeah, okay. Cool. The big guy is gone, I think? That's pretty tight. Oh. I can kill this guy without help. For show. Gonna pull the flamethrower out? Okay. Okay, fucko. The overheat is nuts.